Most people get this wrong. They assume all debit cards are just for spending money. But the Ad Privilege Club Platinum Debit Card offers a lot more than everyday transactions. Today, I'll break down everything you need to know before applying. The Ad Privilege Club Platinum Debit Card is designed for premium banking customers. It comes with travel perks, lounge access, and rewards on purchases. Every time you use the card, you earn Skywards miles, which can be redeemed for flights with Emirates and other partner airlines. This is a unique feature for a debit card, as most rewards programs are tied to credit cards. Setting up the card is straightforward if you already have an ADP account. Once issued, it provides contactless payments, online shopping protection, and ATM access worldwide. For travelers, the card includes complimentary access to over 850 airport lounges globally through Lounge Key. That means you can relax before your flight without paying extra fees. One of the biggest advantages is the premium reward structure. You earn points faster on dining, travel, and international spending. However, there is a minimum monthly balance requirement to avoid fees, so it's important to keep that in mind. The surprising truth is that while it offers excellent perks, it's not ideal for everyone. If you rarely travel or don't spend much on international purchases, you may not fully utilize the benefits. But for frequent travelers, this card can save money and enhance convenience. In conclusion, the Ad Privilege Club Platinum Debit Card is perfect for travelers who want rewards, lounge access, and premium banking features. Make sure to evaluate the balance requirements and see if the travel perks match your lifestyle. Subscribe for more honest banking reviews and tips to choose the right card for you.